In this video I have another example of an expected value calculation. Again, this is a problem taken from page 342. In this case I'm going to do number 32. Number 32 is as follows. It says Sean and Maddie purchase a foreclosed property for $50,000 and they spend an additional $27,000 fixing up the property. They feel they can resell the property for $120,000 with a probability of 0.15, for $100,000 with a probability of 0.45, for $80,000 with a probability of 0.25, and for $60,000 with a probability of 0.15. Compute and interpret the expected profit for reselling the property. Well, again, I want to make sure I have the distribution on display, so in order to make the calculation go smoothly and visually, I'm going to use the lists. So I'll go to the Stat menu, and I need to key in some information in the lists. I'm going to use the list 1 for the probabilities associated with the different sale possibilities. And so I'm just taking them directly from the problem. So the first probability is 0.15. The next one is 0.45. And then 0.25 and 0.15. I'll use list 2 for the cash flow associated with each of those positions. Now if you look at the problem carefully, these guys are into the house for a total of $77,000. They bought the house for $50,000 and they spent $27,000 fixing it up. $50,000 plus $27,000 is $77,000. So in every case, what I'm going to do is take the expected sale price and subtract the $77,000 that they're into the house for. So for this one right here, it would be $120,000 minus $77,000. I need to sneak another 7 in there. There we go. And then the next scenario is that they were thinking they could sell the house for $100,000. So in that case, $100,000 minus $77,000 would be $23,000. And then if they sell the house for $80,000, they're going to make a profit of $3,000. And if they sell the house for $60,000, they're going to lose $17,000. So I'll put in negative $17,000. Now again, to calculate the expected value, I just need to go over to list 3, and I'm going to say that list 3 is equal to list 1 times list 2, and then to get my expected value, I'll just do a cum sum on list 4 here. So I'll go to the second list menu right there, and then to ops, and number 6 is a cum sum. And I want a cum sum of list 3. And you can see my expected value right down here at the bottom. It's $15,000. So as far as interpreting that, you could say that if they repeat a similar transaction over and over and over again, selling a similar house for similar prices with similar probabilities, on the average they're going to make about $15,000 per transaction.